Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I will try to create a mind-blowing logo in ChatGPT, right? So stay till the end so that you know what kind of prompts I am giving to generate a mind-blowing awesome logo with ChatGPT. My name is Sunil Chaudhary. I am digital success coach, and if you are looking for digital success, then you know what to do. Let's get started. Okay, so this is first challenge. I have to make the video small, take it up. Okay, and let's go to ChatGPT, and I have to explain my requirements to ChatGPT. So hi ChatGPT, I need a very powerful logo for my news brand. The brand is Jai Bharat Samachar. I want to include the essence of Akhand Bharat in my logo. Akhand Bharat means undivided Bharat, which includes even Afghanistan, Pakistan, Indonesia, Cambodia, and Tibet and Sri Lanka. I want to include the essence of Ramayana and Jai Shri Ram. Create a clean and bold logo. So I have shared many requirements, but I'm just giving my thought process to ChatGPT, and let's see what happens. Okay. So now ChatGPT is creating the image. So once this image is created, I can finalize it or I can modify it. If I don't like something, then I can give further instructions to ChatGPT to make the necessary changes. Wow. So this is a nice logo, but I don't like it. So what I have to do is, this is nice. However, I want to include text Jai Bharat and Samachar, both. Make sure the spellings are correct. Try to have less elements in logo. Try to make it abstract. So I have given in further instructions that I want less number of elements, I want text, and I want to make it abstract. So this logo is kind of definition, so many things are included. So this is not a kind of logo, this is a kind of story within the logo. So I don't want that, I want a clear cut logo. Okay, so these are the two logos which ChatGPT has created, but I don't like. I do not like these logos. Try to include Akhand Bharat and text as given, as told earlier. So no, little bit of struggle is required even with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is using its own mind. I am giving my own instructions. So we have to do little bit of chatting. So I have already created few mind-blowing logos with ChatGPT for Tikha Samachar and for few more entities. And this is my turn for my website. Wow, this is kind of nice, but okay. So the color should be saffron. Spelling spelling should be जय जय भारत समाचार. Let's see what happens now. The logo is good, not bad, but somehow I don't like it. It is not very appealing. So I have given instructions again. The only problem with ChatGPT is that the ChatGPT cannot modify the image already created. That is one challenge right now with ChatGPT. This is the one challenge with these AI image creators. They create the entire image again. So now they have created this image Jai Bharat Samachar. It looks good. It indeed looks good. I cannot say no, but again the spelling is wrong of Bharat. So I can say this looks really good. Just make sure the spelling Jai Bharat Samachar. Try to keep saffron color bright. So the again challenge, this ChatGPT will not modify this image. It will create another logo. So that is one challenge with ChatGPT. Otherwise, no. If it is able to modify the existing image, then it would be very good and very helpful. Now this Jai Bharat Samachar. So again the spelling is wrong, but this logo really looks amazing. I like it. Yeah. So now only one change. Spelling of Bharat. Let's see, because it will create again. It will not modify this image, it will create again. So that is one problem I am facing again and again with ChatGPT. Otherwise, this logo looks really cool. I can make the changes if I want to in this logo. At least I am able to get ideas with ChatGPT. So if I take this idea from ChatGPT, I can put Akhand Bharat in Canva, then I can put the text like this. So I can do that. Wow. Jai Bharat Samachar. This time it is awesome. But what is written in Hindi, I don't really understand this. So I can say awesome. This is really cool. However, apart from Jai Bharat Samachar, there is something written. There is something written. Remove that. Now let's see what happens. So little bit of a struggle is there with ChatGPT because it has written something in Hindi and that does not go with my requirement. So that is why I am saying, let's see what happens. Now the spelling mistake. Sharat. This is wrong. Spelling is wrong again. Note correct spelling. So my suggestion is use ChatGPT to get ideas. Sometimes it is able to create mind-blowing logo. I have already created some logos even for me and for my clients, and I can do it this time also. I am doing it, but it takes time. It takes prompts, it takes efforts. So we have to keep doing that. So let's see what happens now. Again, it has added some. Okay, so now my thought process is changed. I am saying, okay, create a name logo Jai Bharat Samachar. So I am going to new chat. This chat is corrupted. So I am saying create a name logo for Jai Bharat Samachar. Let's see what happens now. So if it has been so easy, anybody would have been able to create. It takes efforts. It requires efforts, prompts again and again. What? This is too much congested. Okay, this is too much complex. Make it simple. Now let's see what happens. Spelling mistakes are always there with ChatGPT. I don't know why. Because the machine is working, spelling mistakes are always there. But I am doing my struggle. Jai Bharat Samachar. Wow. I really like this logo, and I can modify this little bit. I can copy it and put it in Canva, and I can really modify it. So let's go to Canva now. Time for Canva. And this logo is really looking good. Let me go 500 by 500. And let me upload that logo from my downloaded folder. This is the logo. So this is really cool logo, I must say. So only problem is the spelling. So we have to correct that spelling. So we need only one A after. So what we have to do, we have to cut this part. Okay, then we have to copy, then we have to use this part. Okay, so hope you got the point. Okay, and one more time we have to put it here, and now this is looking super cool. What we have to do is we have to put it in the center, and the background of the whole image should be cool. Now this is the logo. How did you like the video? How did you like the prompts? And what else I can explain to you in terms of creating logo, Canva, digital marketing, SEO, business automation, or success mindset. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.